This is the garden at my parents' house, and I've actually planted a pear tree earlier this year, which has now come into leaf. It's just an ordinary conference pear, and you might notice here there's an Echium. That's an Echium willed prettii, which I gave to my dad as seeds last year. He's grown Echium for a number of years, but not that particular variety, which is the sort of reddy pink variety. And there are a few others of them here. There's several in pots and a few more in the ground. There's nice tulip there. That's one of the last ones this season, I think, in this part of the garden anyway. And actually there's one up there as well. And there's the tree fern Dixonia antarctica. This on the right of this picture, there are two Echium pininana, which the taller of those two is about 4.7 meters tall, which is over 14 feet, and that's kind of now in flower. So these are the two Echium flower spikes there, and the one on the left is approximately 2 meters, just over actually, from the ground to the beginning of the foliage. This area here I've done some weeding on, and I may use it to try to grow some Mange 2 peas again. It is a bit shaded for growing vegetables, but I'll give it a try. There's a kiwi fruit plant here. Has been quite successful in previous years. I've made a very improvised support structure for it, which very surprisingly has mostly stayed up these last few weeks.